Listen, if you think AI has already peaked, you're wrong. The tools I'm about to show you are brand new, and they're going to change how people earn money in 2026. These aren't the old tools everyone already knows. These are new, powerful, under-the-radar AI tools you should start using right now before everyone else discovers them. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Bright Mind Show, your go-to place for AI tools, money-making ideas, and future-proof side hustles. In today's video, we're diving into new AI tools recently launched that can seriously boost your productivity, creativity, and income potential. Aura is a brand new AI idea generator and content planner. If you're a freelancer, student, or creator, this tool is insane. It helps you brainstorm content ideas, build marketing plans, generate niche-specific strategies, and organize tasks. People are literally using Aura to plan entire YouTube channels and online businesses. This tool creates next-level animations and visual effects. If you want to sell animated clips, design social media graphics, or create YouTube reels, PC Vision is perfect. It can turn simple text into smooth animated scenes that look professionally edited. This one just launched recently. Type one paragraph and it generates a complete slide deck with visuals, layout, transitions, and talking points. Consultants, teachers, coaches, and students are using this tool to save hours of presentation work. A powerful writing tool that understands tone better than most AIs. You can tell it, write in a friendly coach style, or write like a millionaire business mentor, and it adapts perfectly. Great for blogs, emails, scripts, captions, even full ebooks. This tool builds full podcast episodes using AI. Seriously, it creates episode ideas, scripts, title options, social media clips, and show notes. People are using Studio Flow to run faceless podcasts without recording anything themselves. A language learning AI that helps you practice real conversations. But here's the money-making part. You can use it to improve English pronunciation, accent, and fluency, which helps you get online jobs, customer support roles, or freelancing clients. This is crazy for business owners. You upload your product or service, and Brandify builds your brand story, your slogan, your marketing copy, your logo ideas, and your color palette. This tool is basically a branding agency inside your laptop. This one is perfect for editors. It cleans audio, removes background noise, sharpens vocals, and levels volume automatically. Freelancers on Fiverr charge $15 to $50 to fix audio, and this tool does it with one click. This tool creates digital ebooks, report-style PDFs, and marketing materials in minutes. If you want to sell ebooks, build lead magnets, or create info products, this tool saves days of work. Finally, an AI that generates perfect prompts for all your tools. Need a YouTube script? Need product photos? Need ads? PromptSpark writes expert-level prompts for you. Beginners love it because it removes the hardest step, figuring out what to tell the AI. And there you have it, brand new AI tools you should start using right now. These tools are fast, powerful, and will give you a massive advantage in 2026. If you want a part 2 with even newer tools, drop a comment saying next list. And don't forget to subscribe. I upload fresh AI money-making videos every single day. Thanks for watching Bright Mind Show, and I'll catch you in the next one.